Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change email address of League of Legends. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. This video will be very quick and simple, so let's get straight into it. So you want to open up your browser, go to leagueoflegends.com, then you're going to click play now, for example, and then you will need to just log into your Riot Games account. So make sure you log into your account, and once you will log into it, you're gonna go to the top, for example here on account, and go click on settings. Now here you will scroll down and see at the bottom personal information, and you will see your email address. All you need to do is write down your new email address, just like so, and that's pretty much it, what you need to do. After that, you're gonna click save and verify, and that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.